So, what is the popping noise that I hear with an adjustment? And that's a question I get all the time. I used to think that the popping noise was the sound of my bones rubbing together or cartilage or something either grinding or rubbing. But in fact, the sound is really just from air. So, in every joint of our body, whether it's in our fingers or in our spine or in our knees, all the joints in our body are surrounded by a capsule. And within that capsule, there's fluid and there's also air or nitrogen gas. So when the joint gets moved, and preferably in our case, it gets moved into the right alignment, the friction or the pressure gets sucked out of the joint. So it's essentially like pulling a suction cup off of a window. So it's nothing grinding, it's nothing rubbing, it doesn't cause arthritis. It's actually just air, kind of like a suction cup off of a window. And if you're like me, my grandmother used to tell me that if we popped our knuckles, that it would cause them to become, big and red and swollen and arthritic. And that's just quite simply not true. Sorry, Grandma. But that's not true. The noise is just air. And when we move your spine, we're only moving it about the width of a credit card or maybe two. It's a very, very small amount of movement. That's why when you come to a chiropractor, it takes time because we can only move the bone a small amount each time. And then we have to repeat because the body wants to pull back into that old position. And if you want to move everything all at once, that's called surgery. If you do it slowly over time, that's the chiropractic approach. So I hope that helps.